Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Google Meet and you will enter. Then this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.